Alright guys, we're here at the barber shop, about to get my hair cut. Just kidding. We're in the bathroom at my house. Ben's gonna cut my hair. Let's go. Cheers, Ben. What's up, guys? Ice bath in the training room. It's got water temp, 45 degrees, 10-minute ice bath. Freezing.
Right, baby. Ice it, ice it.
What was I thinking?
Ice it.
Ice it up.
What's the feel right now?
There is no feel. Here with the boys. About to play some golf.
Bodyboard for life.
Bodyboard for life?
Bodyboard for life.
Surf for life. No!
Bodyboard for life.
Yeah, man.
Who's those?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's go.
What's going on? All right, so I'm here with my buddy Sam, photographer,
Yes, sir.
and also golf teammate. Epic guy.
Yeah.
He's here to take some photos. And we just got to the beach.
Get to see what it's looking like.
Yeah, let's go check it out. All right, a lot of wind. It's definitely a lot of wind out here. Live surf check, you know how we do it.
Jumping up like that.
Oh shit. It's looking like a washing machine, man. In here. All right, everyone. Definitely some strong wind and some strong current. There's no denying that. But we are gonna give it a shot. Got Sam?
Out. Yeah. Got the camera. Gonna get some shots.
Yep. I'm gonna paddle out right by the pier and see if I can hold by the pier, and hopefully the current's not too bad, but we will see. All right, boys. We'll see you out there. You. For the people of YouTube, it's cold, windy shit. It's good. I agree. It is Sunday. Yesterday we had a good evening at Tybee, scored some good waves. I actually got to get a feel for the bat tail. So far, I really like it. It has a slightly different feel than my crescent tails. I can't quite put my finger yet on what exactly is different about it. I'm just gonna have to ride it more to really kind of hone in on what I like about it. Yeah, so last night, the like biggest day, also the choppiest, kind of usually how it goes. Today, it's cleaned up a bit. We're headed out for another sunset mission, so I'm looking forward to that. And yeah.
Much wind and it's not as cold.
Nice.
So,
yeah. Is it the same size? Or a little smaller?
It looks about, but it's way more organized. Like it looks like a better time, and the tide's lower than yesterday, so it's just gonna get better.
Sick. Dude, I'm stoked.
Yes. So I think we're in for a little good one here.
Yeah. Well, is anybody there?
No, dude.
Sick.
Yeah.
Man, I felt like we kind of battled it out yesterday, and today we're gonna get a little bit cleaner, a little reward, I guess. All right, man. I'm gonna pull up in a sec, and yeah, should be good.
All right,
man.
See you, my boy.
Peace. And that's kind of like.
See, look what we got going on, though. You can kind of already tell.
Yeah.
When the set waves come in, there's something to be had, and the tide's so low and it's building. So you can just see it already looks more organized.
It's way better than yesterday.
Yeah.
Damn, look at these.
And we're not getting like held on right now.
Yeah.
No, this is the Tybee I know and love.
Yeah. Yesterday was just carnage compared to this.
Dude, it was brutal.
Yeah.
Today's gonna be a good day, though. It's a good day to be alive.
I agree.
Wait for a set outside and try to do.
Yeah, I like that. Right, this makes yesterday look like hell. Fuck yeah. Okay. Yeah, how's it going? Good seeing you, brother. You too. left.